Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una day? I hope una day fine. How everything? I hope everything day fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I day fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, it go chocolize you. If everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you they wait for? As you they subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una. Make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all. Stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Once in a year, every summer. Igoro ana we bieria. No wa me no bo wa junu zan. Wa junu zan. Wa we gbe ma ho e. Wa we mo gogo. We no mo gogo. O ma gogo. O ma no mo gogo abega ibegbe. O ma no mo gogo egun gbo no ka yin o. O ma no mo gogo egun be no ge atiti koi. Oma no megogo ogun asen fulede. Oma no megogo ogun agwopa wa ya he. Oma no megogo ogun ogun be no ga titi ko be no ga yin ho. Be no ga we mila na muhia. No na ne kwe ga mu yu webu. Oma na megogo we on. So salobe kwa ya imi kwa. Wa egbove mani mo kwa bogwa. Wa sinya e wa gin abogwa ye wiya. No ori o to wa yari. Okay, warrior, eko wa monu bogwa yebo we boyo e regret. Amana favor etina o favor we. Amana favor iyore o favor we. E mara no bogwa yo wa na ko wari go geno yari bebe webo. Thousands. No bogwa yo wa na ko wari go geno yari bebe webo. Avye me every year. Una gele mune better tenancy. But I mean, no mametibo. In ya work 10 years. He go ninu ya do wani. Why ye me boy ya? Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Hey, you go where? Why you kick it the liloma? He go na ya do why he say bank. I'm where a bank. A first has many make a debeko. Inigo ya betu flat ini. Inigo ya boy. Be inigo ya do Tony. Half plot in a full plot. In a dotoni be 500,000. Again, is 10 million Tony. 10 million naira. I have no Tony be half plot. Full plot is 20 million. Express road, you know. I want to no road that way. One of my lower because I go one bana wa go. It's not a bad thing. On our maybe Nigeria, it's not bad. The most important thing, every wawe. You get my point? The most important thing, every wawe. That dog me forget. That dog wa me forguwa. Waga igbovo. Waga jealous. No gon be with 20 you wa. No gon be 30 go work be. Okay? Abu wa ne mo wa come lazo ma no mo wa. Oga wa mo ba na wa ya pon mi ya wa we zere we ma develop ve ma ni kawe bo ya bo wa yo tornado mi ni jeru pon gwe eya ni kawe bo pa ya bo wa yo tornado o develop edu o zera mi wa gbon we do government o do ge rie so oga kata wa belo wa ye ni we ago wa abe gugwa awo me baby abe ma ni ma be na ya develop wa develop were wa ma ogugwa wa ma develop Emma, so Emma to saloba me watabe me. Abi ani bogwa wa igboviyan. Wa siviera o hon ya amigo ba hon ya mamigo ba. It's none of your business. It's none of your business, okay? Ogwani above 1 million 50 years ago. Oh, when 1 million 50 years ago, if they want to sell it now, they will not sell it 1 million. They will not sell it 1 million. They will sell it about 10 million or 12 million. Because area need to develop. Oh, to agi here, we got the one who they work after 30 years. You know, because the person go to here and read there. tatana. Ami yani ma dirty rioto bo wa na iye wa agbovo o ma na o ma no rioto. Ayi o wa no wa bo wa gene ini go wa here wa si lesikodzo. Why even at your business? Wa do business o wa na gwa be no ga mila. Wa bebe no go money ate muri ya. Aba ma je bebe no e ma na reri yan magba. Wa gwa fo ne wa ya ge gbu wa bu gbe. Wa gwa be no go ma na gbo wa gwa be no go mila. Oye na mu we mila na do muju wa nu. We nu wa ya gwa. O gwa mu wo eni. O ma kho ma na gbon. O ma kho ma na wu. O ma kho ma na enwe. O ma kho ma ije le kute. Oje be no go mila. We na mila ro. Are you people crazy? I hate jealousy because I want my people to develop their land. Where ke courtesy. Only me at stand the jikakabo. No wa develop e because e gugwa keke no wa ne musimuse aro e gugwa. O keke no wa ne musimuse aro e gugwa. E gabe rima wa ne musimuse ma aro. But e gugwa God go bless all of una. When waya jo tornado when waya jo dodo ya hin webo area so rob webo we ana hamu we get do no we do go and see mansion there na me ma no ro gwa biri iri o me ni agbugwaju wo se gbe very ri adori ya mama why is it composite they must have us in Europe ma soro no ma mego no ga amego emebe ona do mi ogwa no cheap eti na tie go teme do wa do because I we bona we mi opa amu we ari ogwa baba na ma do me passport ama do me 10 years ama do me 5 years sisi we ye baba na ya size ene e guarantee mo boro be we bobi mana e mama mo bo fie o we mana na bima so ave man of a delo wa be mana self a risk we no a risky we no. It's good to say the truth. Awe milana na ravi ri o meme. Ado ta gwe. Ogwani abanya setiro. Keep quiet. Gwa gwa ya di yan do gwa be sheni nugu be sheni gwe na di we. O meme okiyen. O meme correct. O meme no meme ogwa hin. O meme mila. O meme mila. Do meme no tama when it aya gba oge gbe we. Tawe no go mozu obo. No ga pa na muri ya. Toma no gogo sebo tagmo na ya mokao. Ana toma no gogo sebe the whole world ya mokao. You understand? Mege na wajena mo gogo se. We are going to saloba ume no ma ume. Ina latia me live video every day. Ha me gbe me. Ina latia every day. Ha me gbe me ato. Emi ni wa like no. Why again me no the gogo me. E ma die wa hin. I ma control me. Oh what done je I control me. But I'm a free woman. What time me ni ado? What time me ke vie semu gesi ni anwu na lele me? What time me ke stiri store? What time me ke vie teme vie cousin me la webo a? What ibudeni me? One me cousin me ni vie la webo. One me cousin me ni me vie la webo a. Ya se gbe ke ni na nwa ke ye iri o vie ya san se mu la webo go e. Omo me hia. Ogo via ya re neve bero. Once ni me ewu ne pe awu no ku a. Won wo mani jore hin. Emi no yo go me no I like doing good. I like ni awese. Ya awese no e be mi egwere gbe. Egba ma beri we hin. Ma mo gogo. We la we gbe me ni na mo gogo a. Me ke na ke ya afia bo me na ladin. La wa she ni ya Wa she ni ya. Awa cheni amewu me gwa maya kwa gwa ngwa yakwe bana gwa o enwina nu gwa kose ku gwa so baby e cheni anwu na nu gwa ni ade cheni ju gwa ni ade yu gwa kun kose o meme gwa kin o meme no meme ona egwe o meme no ru pon ru an o kin o meme na no ru o gwa kin o salobo aze ya ni re dogbonu je din ya mi ogogo de ni kwewi e if people don't live like you don't live like animal emi la ni mana na ima no be mu ani mana bia die webo e mana amula webo kwa mamu ya la webo ado mu aba meme na ha buselu kwa vinya die webo Me come and name ogogo be awugwa. O se ni name ogogo. The only thing on check when we make a bomber waffle. You make bomber up power. So any other thing is a blessing to me. Live video do me well. I live video don't know why. Be ya wa woman. Wa aranya viri. Wa gereri ya ka agbane wa ke aranya viri. Wa diyan. Wa deshe ni no kwa le liyan we. Gbagbe mi ji yan kan. Do something back why ya we mi jo wa. Omo no me the opportunity. Una me the right person no we. Ugwe no we no won. Ugwe no we no. Why zi egbe tawi ya ne manage. Ne manage agbe wa. Awi ni force egbe yan. Agwamana bo wa ye to but do aya open we. Wo ya open we. No do hun wo ve wa no re we bo ka o ge la do. Ve wa no re we bo mi ati area na ya agbera oka. Mi an se tie village na o. O me village opa agbera oka. Ba se tie o. Udogbo. Go and see Udogbo now. We give me 1 million. Man they we bo develop If we one no we bo to no dogbo yi. Adogwa bi do to Udogbo. Amugbo wa we genete. But again na go and see Udogbo. Udogbo we give me 2 million Udogbo. Unless we. Ami ani mameti nene ni mameti we mi rokpa na ya tagwe ogwa igo rokpa rogwa we ni go ni memie every year we wa no ni memi no rogwa every year we ni go ni memie mi awi mi ade mi aya de mashon be mana iwe every year ya you go ni ya pay oge webo mashon beti ma gwa lo because we na me oge webo. Be ya wa wo meteme wa gbo me no gemi na ogbe si igwe bi na be kun ma na egbe ma egenete egbe ma na tera ma fo na ara be she oge we bo o gwa sinyal lu ogwa yen egeni egbe okoma do akigole lo ma do jealous me no ma wujo kwa ga iranya biri please I want to speak English to the whole world. Please, any of my Nigeria people, especially Benin people, those that have mental problem, I want you to treat them very well and look at the way they talk. If they don't talk like a cow, before you can release them. Please, ladies and gentlemen, all the daughters all over the world, especially the daughters that live in Italy, please, any Benin woman that you see in Italy that is talking like a melu, that is talking like a that is looking like an enemy, please, you have to treat her very well before you release her. Please, I am begging Italian presidents, answer me, please, sir. With all due respect, sir. Answer me. Don't release them without taking good care of them. Before you release them, you have to intervene them. When they talk like Emila, don't release them. You know that their mental problem is not okay. Because when you release them now, the important people of Benin Kingdom, they will not allow us to have peace. They will not allow us to have joy. They will be disturbing us. They will be giving us jealousy. We are tired of that. Nigeria is not like this. When you go to Salute Hospital, they're full there. They can't release them without taking care of them. I think Italian doctor who wa iyan eboa. If Italy, I think iyan ebo. Yeah, boy. Wala wo. Wala, please, sir, with all respect to you. Kwa training ya kakabona uke a releasing ya machine. Wa give do disturb ye do atale reminari mana do binu ya biko wa lele ya hian. Ago mana gbon ma waje no ge Emila na ge ti me e kon ma bo kon ma ba van. Why worry? So, Brother Friday, wa ma o. Osaitin wa ya. God bless you all. Ya ti ogame ni makba maestro. Maestro give it the message in there. Ere wo be Italy okpa waje. Ere wo be Italy no wano. So he gave message get the doctor ne. E cheni no kwa cheni na ya si ugedu ya si ma awa gba you owe. Cause wa disturb ma. Wa we no give na. E o kwa je be no ge wo ni mi. So wa go me jolly day me, okay? Why jolly day me wo. Why jolly day me ge. Mommy, I make all of una laugh. So, ire holiday, me there ire ekeni mejenari ekeni meji se ba 9 hours. Ire holiday. Ya so wabi yakwe. So wabi yakwe ni do total. Imado wese. Ko off wagbe. Unwe a life na amari dagmo enu sa. 11 already do change, we already do change. If not so, waya wana tejore one of Paris. So do I wa me go no jime one where 11 nije we nije all cover me. Sherry 11 nije all see me ya. What we wa makwa ma waya nne ya ke be Paris ya hamwa. Yo ko na yo paparua Dada ko na ya se gbogbalegbe no ma emero. Yo ijoro ma na yo paparua. I'm a very very stubborn woman. But today program when you give your life to Christ, let people know say yes, you are really changed. Let God know say yes, you are not pretending to serve me. Or see ni na wa when I big wesan na rek na rotin on river. I'm a very 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 stubborn. No, oma no tie me mana ruji ne gbe yi e wo van. Even wa beje eni no keke we be nu je ya munu. Memweni owe enwe ye wa hewe wa kunhu hewe eni no wa keke we wa re enwe ta do wa fitiwe me amweni no ma onyo but sometimes when I look something, I look some people, I boss love we ya na iwe ni wa won agugwa wa mo nu seme ya do lele level we do aye no go me no wa beji. So nobody should advise me or maybe a live video on a deck, but it's none of your business. It's none of your business. Or maybe work by 20 hours. Or maybe a lot of back by there. A business work. Okwa bobo me. Okwa bobo me wa hin. Ye teme ya cousin, ye teme ya ni viola webo. Ni mi o 1 naira eru wi. So 1 naira, awe 1